Welcome to what is now North Oz Photography. It was Fernandez Finds Adventure, and before that it was Mark Fernandez Media, and it's been a couple of things, but I took some time away from creating for a little bit just to kind of get a bit of perspective and see what it is exactly that I want to be doing in this space. So something that I want to talk about today is basically what is North Oz Photography, and what is it trying to represent, what is it trying to do, what can you expect, what sort of content are we looking for over I guess the rest of the lifespan of this channel until YouTube doesn't become a thing anymore, I guess. At the moment, my most popular YouTube videos have been my car related content. And I kind of got to a point where I just can't really push that much more. And I kind of took a bit of a step away and thought, well, what is it can I do that interests me, that I know a bit about, and that I feel like I'm going to want to create some content around the topic. So that's when I started thinking, what is it that's going to engage me and kind of push me creatively and also cause me to, I guess, learn a bit more as well about my craft, and what is it that people are going to be interested to learn about as well. So that's when photography really started to become a main focus, and I really started narrowing down on exactly what it is that I wanted to be focusing in photography and what it is, I guess, that I wanted to share with you guys. So what I've started to do, I started to put together a few things like a website, which I'll put a little screenshot up there of that. And a couple other things as well. I changed around my Instagram a little bit. I made some merchandise as well, so that you guys have a place to support the channel as well, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about all this stuff because it's kind of, I had these ideas for the Fernandez Finds Adventure. I really wanted that to, I guess, encompass everything. I wanted it to have the four-wheel drives. I wanted it to have my WRX. I wanted it to have my photography. And I just feel like with that, I couldn't really express what I wanted to through it, and there was just too many things going on. So with the rebrand, I'm just trying to make it, I guess, a little bit more narrow, a bit more specific, so that you guys can have a bit more consistency with the content that I'm putting out, so that you know what to expect from me. So you will start to notice a few different things, primarily improvement in content, which is what I'm trying to spend a bit more time on. Haven't made any videos for about 2 to 3 months because I have been trying to make sure that the content that I'm putting out is stuff that I actually am really proud of, and stuff that I think is going to be, I guess, at the height of what I'm able to produce. So I'm not cutting corners and things like that. I've been getting quite a few questions about the content that I've been producing in the past, and people wanting updates. So things like the WRX and the four-wheel drive, and what else I'm going to be doing to the motorcycle and things like that. But mostly what I want to be doing is just keeping the content pretty consistent with the photography. And if the cars and four-wheel drive stuff kind of works its way into it, because obviously I need to travel and I need to do the things that I need to do to get to the places that I need to photograph and that. So they probably will be a part of the photography, but probably won't be as big as a main attraction, I guess, for the channel moving forward. So that's pretty much where I'm up to, guys. Is I've started the North Oz Photography. I have a place where people can find me, my YouTube channel and my Instagram and my website. It's all kind of linked, and it's all meshed together. So my hope is it will be a little bit better quality content, and people will, I guess, be more likely to subscribe, and hopefully will enjoy the videos a bit more because there will be that common theme of photography. And that's about it, guys. So I've got a heap of videos coming up. I've already filmed a couple, and they're all scheduled and ready to go. So I'm looking forward to sharing those with you. I really want to know your thoughts as well. Go ahead, check out the website. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I know that not many people are going to watch this video because it's not really about anything in particular. It's just more a channel update than anything. But if you did watch it and you have some comments and that, just make sure you chuck them down, and I'll be interested to know what you guys think of the whole rebrand stuff. So guys, until next week, keep an eye out for next week's video. I'm really happy with how that one turned out, and until then, I guess that's it, and I'll see you next week.